Okay, hello class. Praise the Lord and good morning, stars, all of you. Okay, how you are all? I know very well that you are bindas, just you are rocking, you are well also. So last time we read about the Bible, and just today we will also read some Gospel of the Bible. Last time we were reading like chapter Nityavachan Proverbs chapter 4, and we read 1 to 14. Okay, now today we will learn about Proverbs. Okay, and we will read continue 15 to 27. Okay, so it starts, that class. I would like to say that key last time when we were reading the Bible, that time we saw ki that we need wisdom. Okay, we need wisdom, and through wisdom we can get anything. With the help of wisdom we can achieve anything also, very well that. So today we will learn and we will read also 15th of 15th Proverbs. Okay, chapter 4 and 15 Proverbs. What is said 15. ओके, उसे छोड़ दे, उसके पास से भी न चल, उसके निकट से मुड़कर आगे बढ़ जा. ओके, 15 इज दैट. ओके, अवॉइड इट, डू नॉट ट्रेवल ऑन इट, turn away from it and pass on. I would like to say that in your life you find so many friends which are very bad. Okay, so you don't be friend with them, and what the gospel said, avoid it. Suppose you have bad friends, you have to avoid them. Suppose you are doing any good job, you are going to go for doing any good job, but they are interrupting you, so you have to avoid them. Suppose your friend circle, they are smoking or they are drinking wine or they are doing any bad work. So in that condition you have to avoid them. Okay, next word is that क्योंकि दुष्ट लोग यदि बुराई न करे तो उनको नींद नहीं आती, और जब तक वे किसी को ठोकर न खिलाए तब तक उन्हें नींद नहीं मिलती यार. For they do not sleep unless they have done evil, and their sleep is taken away unless they make someone fall. Yes, नीतिवचन 4 का 16. क्योंकि दुष्ट लोग यदि बुराई न करे तो उनको नींद नहीं आती या. For they do not sleep unless they have done evil. Yeah, if bad people they don't do wrong work, so they don't get sleep. Even they don't sleep, so you have to avoid them. और जब तक वो किसी को ठोकर न खिलाए तब तक उन्हें नींद नहीं मिलती. Yes. And their sleep is taken away unless they make someone fall. So my friends, my stars, you have to avoid them. You should not be with them. Okay, you have to interrupt them, you have to avoid them. Don't try to be friend with that type of friends. Okay, that type of friends will destroy you. Okay, 17. वे तो दुष्टता से कमाई हुई रोटी खाते और उपद्रव के द्वारा पाया हुआ दाखमधु पीते हैं. ओके, वे तो दुष्टता से कमाई हुई रोटी खाते हैं. For they eat the bread of wickedness and drink the wine of violence. 18. परंतु धर्मियों की चाल उस चमकती हुई ज्योति के समान है. Listen carefully. परंतु धर्मियों की चाल उस चमकती हुई ज्योति के समान है. But the faith of the just is like the shining sun, जिसका प्रकाश दोपहर तक अधिक बढ़ता रहता है. ओके, 19. दुष्टों का मार्ग घोर अंधकार में है, वे नहीं जानते कि वे किस से ठोकर खाते हैं. The way of the wicked is like darkness, they do not know what madness they stumble. Yes, दुष्टों का मार्ग घोर अंधकार में है. The way of the wicked is like darkness. Yes, my friends, my stars, my students. Okay, दुष्टों का मार्ग घोर अंधकार में है. The way of the wicked is like darkness. Yes, if there are good people, so their way is darkness. There is no light because they do bad work. No, they do wrong work. That's why. 20 में, हे मेरे पुत्र, मेरे वचन ध्यान करके सुन और अपना कान मेरी बातों पर लगा. My son, give attention to my words, incline your ears to my saying. 21. क्योंकि जिनको वे प्राप्त होती है वे उनके जीवित रहने का और उनके सारे शरीर के चंगे रहने का कारण होती है. for they are life to those who find them and health to all their flesh. सबसे अधिक अपने मन की रक्षा कर, क्योंकि जीवन का मूल स्रोत वही है। या दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट गॉस्पेल ऑफ द बाइबल। सबसे अधिक अपने मन की रक्षा कर, क्योंकि जीवन का मूल स्रोत वही है। या कीप योर हार्ट, keep your heart, okay, with all diligence, for out of it spring the issue of life. Really, keep your heart with all diligence, for out of it spring the issue of life. Okay, सबसे अधिक अपने मन की रक्षा कर, क्योंकि जीवन का मूल स्रोत वही है। Because my friends, my stars, really that कि maximum people, you know that कि before doing anything, just they think very badly, they think in their mind also. Okay, this is one kinds of we can say that you know, many people or many persons are there, just they think too much in their mind before doing practically. Okay, they think the visualization that we are doing like that is very bad thing, because before, you know that we think so many things, and there are two types of thought are there. If you think good, so your behavior will be like that, but if you think bad, so your activities will be done like that. Okay, so सबसे अधिक अपने मन की रक्षा कर, क्योंकि जीवन का मूल स्रोत वही है। Keep your heart with all diligence, for out of it spring the issue of life. 24. टेढ़ी बात अपने मुंह से मत बोल, और चालबाजी की बातें कहना तुझसे दूर रहे। 25. तेरी आंखें सामने ही की ओर लगी रहे, और तेरी पल के आग की ही ओर खुली रहे। अपने पाँव रखने के लिए मार्ग को समथर कर, और तेरे सब मार्ग ठीक रहे। न तो दाहिनी ओर मुड़ना और न बाई ओर, अपने पाँव को बुराई के मार्ग पर चलने से हटा ले। ओके, 27. Do not turn to the right or the left. Remove your foot from evil. Yes. न तो दाहिनी ओर मुड़ना और न बाई ओर, अपने पाँव को बुराई के मार्ग पर चलने से हटा। Do not turn to the right or the left. Do not turn to the right or left. Remove your foot from evil. Yeah. Before doing any bad work, just you have to remove your thoughts. You have to remove your foot also from there, because you know very well that whenever you do any wrong work, or whenever wrong work is done by you, so we during doing any bad work, we don't think that. Okay, so you have to, with the help of Bible, you can learn so many things, and you should remove foot from evil things. Got it? So next time we will learn chapter 5 and chapter 4 okay, are read by us, right? And then this is the good gospel of the Bible, and you will be blessed when you listen this gospel of the Bible. You will be blessed, and really you are blessed. This class is blessed. Okay, and we are also blessed, right? So you have to pray also. You have to pray when you live alone. You have to pray with your family, and you have to pray with your group also. If you have group, so you can pray with group also. Whenever if you are alone, so you pray at home, you can pray also. Okay, means before doing anything, just you have to pray, and you have to spend time with God. Okay, so may God bless you, and we will meet next video. I hope you will be fine. You are great. You are bindas. You are rocking, and may God bless you. And just think, God increase me. Okay, if you walk with God, so God will also be with you. Okay, so give time to the Bible. When you open the Bible, then God starts to speak with you. Okay, so please give time to the Bible, and then through gospel of the Bible, you will learn, and you will achieve so many things. Okay, so thank you so much. May God bless you. Praise the Lord, and enjoy your day in presence of God.